Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Crystal. Today we are looking at a package all the way from Cyprus from Blush Bobo Tico. So let's check it out. These are her brand new bow bands that she just listed in the shop. They're meant to go on your sticker album. She's got 5 different options: velvet, regular, and then this lace one. Love it. I think these are super adorable and every sticker album needs one. Then let's check out what's in here. Super excited to see everything. Look at all those goodies. So this is going into my B6. It's one of her planner tails. I absolutely love the detail and sparkle in this one. We've got some lace charms with cute little flowers in the middle. I can't wait to use those. Blush bow with gold sparkles around the edges. One of her new double bows and her watercolor star clip. Velvet charm. I absolutely love that she's brought velvet into the shop. It's not something you see a whole lot. And they are so cute on these wide clips. She's got a double ribbon bow. And cute little flower clip. Purple charm bow and another velvet clip on a wide clip. And her vintage bookmark. Let's check out her new stickers. So she uses premium matte. So soft. The colors turn out so vibrant on this paper. Everything is so detailed. I love the paper she uses. It's cute. Look at the detail in the alarm clock. I love the flowers. Cute, and seriously the best paper you could write on. Links to everything you saw in today's video can be found down below. To help support this channel, please use code Crystal15 for 15% off, plus an additional freebie. Thanks for watching. See you next time.